Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Now, unfortunately, Felicia found out, right? Girl is upset, girl is livid, girl is feeling like she's stupid. Avelu bonko azombuza ukuthi awukhuluma ngamanga ngokuthi ufonela bomalume ukuthi bazokhuluma namalobolo wami noMaruna in asathini athi ungangitsheli ngotikilani ungangitsheli ngani, and she said all those things. Maruna belongs to the streets and on the streets. That girl is not worthy of you in you. That made Bonko livid. Bonko was, you don't dare speak about my woman like that. Kwaba exchange of words. But equation ukuthi what will be the ultimate decision? Will Ubonko continue namalobolo umamake angavumi na? On the other hand, Gabriel is now blaming Felicia, turning this whole situation around. Ukuthi, you are the one that is wrong, you are the problem in remember, Felicia for some reason has a very soft spot for Lindon. I don't know why, but she decided to go and change all the accounts. We all know that Gabriel is gonna come with a strategy. Gabriel always wins when it comes to this marriage, right? And that strategy is gonna work. But what's happening right now is that Maruna is returning the kindness to Siswake and telling Siswake like all the good things that she has done. Would say, you know what, you've carried me, you've done this, you've done that. I am going to continue giving you your allowance. And the sister was like, nope, I'm the one that's supposed to take care of you. Therefore, don't give me the allowance anymore because I got a job. The mother is also extremely happy. Ugo is cooking for the kids, like not while before they go to work, they go with a well-cooked meal. Like it's happy in the house. And the eldest is worried. You could say, hey, mama, what's happening? Are you dying? Are you like, what's happening? Because this is not you. Like, honestly, this is not you. And then Israel is also getting a wardrobe change, guys. He's getting a wardrobe change. They are making him look good. Guy is super uncomfortable and he's thinking, no, this is not me. This is not the brand that I look. But while like he got comfortable and took beautiful shots at that. He took very beautiful shots, and maybe this time around he'll be confident enough to perform with confidence and maybe sell more copies for the Genesis company and get that apartment, that car, that credit card, and finally that groceries that they want together with umngani wakhe.